Hi everyone, my name is Heather Christensen with Turn It Up, and today we're talking about muscle testing. We've been talking a little bit about muscle testing in some of our other videos, and so we thought it might be nice to be able to have a tutorial on muscle testing. So what is muscle testing? It basically is the idea that your body already knows what's good for it and what's not good for it. And based upon the vibrations of whatever you are muscle testing, whether it's food or topical things or other things that you put into your body, it's going to be able to tell you, yes, it's good for it, or no, it's not good for it. Understand this is not an exact science. It's not meant to diagnose or treat things, okay? This is something for you to have in your arsenal in case you ever need it. All right, so I'm going to go through two types of muscle testing. The first one is the resistance test, and you're going to need another person for that one. And what that is you will stand in with your arm out perpendicular to the floor, and in the other hand you will have the item that you want to test. And you ask your body, is this good for me? If it is good for me, when someone pushes on my arm slightly and I resist slightly, my arm will stay strong. If it's not good, it will grow weak. Now, this is not a competition to see who is stronger than the other. You want to resist enough so that you can tell if it was good or not. Like the same thing for a bag of sugar, I will ask that. And if it's yes, it's good for me, it will stay strong. And if it's not good for me, it will grow weak. Understand that your emotions can influence this. Okay, the second type is the sway test, and you can do this on your own. And I used to do this when I first started muscle testing. Just ask yourself, you hold your item that you're testing, and a lot of people hold it close to their body, and you ask the question, is this good for me? And then you wait, and if it's good, you will sway forward. Is this good for me? A bag of sugar, is it good for me? And I could tell immediately when I picked it up. You will sway backward if it's not good for you. So those are just really simple ways to muscle test. If you continue to practice it, you'll get really quite good at it. And what you are feeling is the vibration. You're feeling the vibration of the food or whatever it is you're muscle testing for, and you feel the vibration within your body. So your body is vibrating at certain frequencies and the food is vibrating at certain frequencies. You can test it for topical things, like I said. You can test it for beverages that you take into your body. It's not an exact science, people, but it is a great tool to have. All right, so that is muscle testing for you. You can even, when you get good enough at it and you are used to what your body feels like in a yes or a no situation, you can actually do it from a distance. Like there were some things that I needed online when I couldn't go to the store, and I asked, is this good for me or not? And I could tell based upon the vibrations, and it worked beautifully. But like I say, practice makes perfect, and don't do it with critical things that you are worried about, like medications, unless you get really, really good at it, and then you'll know. But still, professionals will tell you to go to the doctor. So you decide what's good for you. This is not meant to diagnose or treat, just so you know. Again, I'm restating that, but it's a great thing to have in your arsenal. Well, good luck in it. And if you have a question, don't hesitate to put it in the comments below, because more than likely, if you have that question, someone else will too. So let's help each other out. All right, you guys, have a great time. Bye.